Encountered an IPF file and can't determine which application it belongs to? This extension is used by several different software packages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify and open this file based on its context. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized IPF tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. IPF files are associated with multiple applications depending on context. They may be SMS Installer script files, Interchangeable Preservation Format, disk images, or other proprietary data files. The specific IPF type is determined by the software environment and purpose of the file within your workflow. IPF files vary in format depending on the originating application. SMS Installer IPF files use script text format, while Interchangeable Preservation Format. IPF disk images use a binary container for preserving floppy disk data at a magnetic flux level. Context and file header analysis are needed for proper identification. We recommend using unknown software by unknown developer to ensure proper reading of IPF. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows offers no meaningful compatibility, so archival or legacy programs are needed. Let's start the diagnostic. Right-click the IPF file and select Open with Test Unknown Software if it appears. You may need to systematically try a few applications. When your IPF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This format is tricky. Since the IPF file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, identifying the file type. Open the IPF file in a hex editor like HXD to inspect the header bytes. IPF disk images contain the CAP signature in their header. Text-based IPF script files show readable content when opened in Notepad. The originating folder location and associated software provide additional identification context. Next, opening IPF disk images. If the IPF file is a CAP's Interchangeable Preservation Format. Disk image use WinUAE or other Amiga emulators that support IPF Format for loading preserved floppy disk images. Install the CAP's IPF Support Library plugin to enable IPF reading in your emulator or disk imaging tool. Finally, opening script IPF files. If the IPF file is a text-based script, open it in any text editor to review its contents. SMS Installer. IPF script files can be opened in the SMS Installer application for editing and compilation. Review the script commands to understand the installation or configuration operations defined within. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.